Hi everyone, in this video we will compare Ubuntu and Linux Mint. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions known for its polished, modern interface and strong community support. It comes ready to use with thousands of apps available through its official repositories, including productivity tools, media software, and developer utilities. Ubuntu focuses on security, regular updates, and compatibility, making it reliable for work, school, or everyday use. Its interface is sleek and user-friendly, and it's designed to be accessible for beginners while still powerful for advanced users. Ubuntu also supports long-term support or LTS versions, which receive updates and security patches for several years, making it a stable choice for people who don't want to worry about frequent upgrades. It works well on most hardware, and you can run it from a live USB to test before installing, which is great for first-time Linux users. Linux Mint, on the other hand, is built to feel familiar and comfortable, especially for users coming from Windows. It comes fully equipped with essential tools like LibreOffice, Media Player, and system utilities, so you don't need to spend time installing extra software. The desktop environment is intuitive and simple, focusing on workflow, ease of use, and productivity. Linux Mint also includes a centralized update manager, system snapshots, and strong stability, which makes maintenance easy and the system reliable. It's highly configurable without being complicated, giving users control over the interface, themes, and functionality. The community around Linux Mint is very active, offering tutorials, tips, and support, so help is easy to find. Linux Mint is also very lightweight compared to Ubuntu, which makes it run smoothly even on older computer. When deciding which Linux distro to use in 2026, it really depends on your needs. Ubuntu is better if you want a modern, polished system with strong community support, access to the latest software, and long-term security updates. It's great for professionals, developers, or anyone who wants a reliable, future-proof system, Linux Mint is better if you want a stable, beginner-friendly system that works immediately. It's easy to navigate and focuses on comfort and workflow. It's perfect for people moving from Windows or those who want a system that just works without much setup. Both distros are free, open source, secure, and well supported. So the choice comes down to whether you prioritize cutting-edge features and updates or simplicity, stability, and ease of use. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.